Hey guys, we've got a personal box of Ginter. 2017 A&G Baseball for John H. Good luck to you. Right after this, we have a 2016 Draft Jumbo for Nate. He's going Bo Bichette hunting. Alright, first up though, Ginter for John H. John H, you gotta refresh my memory. All the base, or you just want the good stuff? Just let me know, that way I can sort it out if you only want the good stuff. You don't want to do all the base. There's your empty. And here's your box topper. Going this way, a little easier. Got Giancarlo, autographed? No, not auto. All the base, perfect, man. I don't have to sort anything. You're my favorite now. Stanton, box topper. Everybody thinks it's difficult, or more difficult, when someone takes all their base. It's actually easier to sort anything while I break. Easy peasy. Alright, so what I'll do with your minis, I'll just stop, put them in a pile as I break, since we don't have to check the back immediately. That is a weird pack. Yeah, that's bizarre. This may not be a big deal, but the seal is on the opposite side. I'm an idiot. Fuck my life. It was just bad. It looked so different. Oh, that's how you know it's 1 in the morning. No way, he did not just get a rediscovered Topps. Joey Hamilton. One of the first knuckleballers for the Jays back in the day. Okay, here we go. Whoa, many. Damn. 1 out of 3. David Dahl. Metal. Silver rookie. That is awesome. It's only the second time I've seen that where they came right out of packs. Because usually those are in rip cards. So Dahl, 1 of 3. Good start, right? Not too shabby. Bust a move. I'll put your minis there and we'll go through them separately. That's what I was saying earlier. Hey, there's finally a Judge. That's the first one in like freaking 5 boxes. There's a Garrett Black Mini, Yelich and Manaya. This is really cool. I hate how they're hand numbered, but whatever. It is what it is, I suppose. Ozzy. Nolan Ryan. Was it Kemp? He's the star of the show earlier. First hit is a Corey Kluber relic. Corey Kluber. He still sells so well. Are you kidding me? You got one of the Constellations mini there. And then a George Méliès, Magicians and Illusionists. German Snow Patrol, dude. Chris Brown, rediscovered Topps. Bo Jackson, Myers, Hayward, Gordon. Mini of Ted Williams. Hopefully that's got a variation on the back. Alright, so let's peek through these. John Smoltz was an A&G back. And the Ted Williams was an A&G back, so that's nice. Couple variations there. Alright, mini stack 2. Got a hit on the bottom. Looked like a frame card, too. Pull the mini off. Fogelbach and Nick Jonas. The Elvis Andrus mini. Brooke Hogan mini. Rosenberg, black border mini. Donald Harris, rediscovered tops. I know, man. That's how it goes. Gotta know when to sell. With Judge, it was a steep decline, though. My God. And let's see what this frame is. Is it ink? No ink. Damn Trout, though. Got Harper and Trout for the relics. I mean, if you're gonna get a framed relic, can't do much better than Trout or Harper for a base. Mike Trout, game used jersey. Cool looking cards. We got Kluber and Trout so far. Packs here. There's 4. Deep Sea Dude. John Lackey, rediscovered tops. Nice. What year was that? 06? 06 tops. Not a great design. Yeah, oh yeah, I did play the Gold Beam team, yep. Nice. Sonny Gray. What a day. You got required reading on the origin of species. Charles Darwin. Upton. Musgrove and Hamilton. Let's check the back, see if we got anything rare. One A and G back in that stack, and that was it. Justin Upton. Alright, last stack. Come on, man. Just make this a stack. Come on, man. Bunch of orders that popped through, but I think they're just delayed PayPal payments, guys. So I don't think there's anyone in the queue after this. Just Nate with a Bowman draft. It'll be last call soon, anyways. Mattingly, DeLeon Mini. You got one hit left to find. This is Ginter. Danny Duffy. Gonzalez. MySpace guy, Black Border, Zimmerman and Miggy. You know what? I think that metal counts as one of your hits, not to burst the bubble, man. Just remember the other box that we had like that, I'm pretty sure. Hopefully not. Let's see if you got a bonus in here, though. Sandberg. Adam Eaton. Nope. Alright, he did get a third relic at least. Verlander. Game used. Unnumbered. Then we have a Reyes Mini, Gehrig, and Trumbo. Let's see if you got anything rare on the back of those last few minis. DeLeon was base. Duffy was an A&G. Cargo, Anderson. Sandberg was an A&G. Nice. Eaton and Reyes. Will that be it? Alright, thank you very much, John H. Got a stack for you already. Minis. So they won't fall. Alrighty. You got it, man. Let me check orders here. Alright, Nate. Nobody else. Dude, my last 2 draft jumbos. I literally got to buy some more this week. So I'm sure this stuff's going to start going up. Left or right? I have 1 Pantheon football. Yep, right here. That be it. Does the store show one? Let me just check. Yep, store's got 1 left. Perfect. Yeah, there's one. Yep, that's it. Going right. All right. Good luck, Nate. May the Bo Bichette be with you. I'm assuming that's who your top option would be. Might help if I record this, eh?